Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Hope you all will be good. This is your literature class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. And what is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is Strong Together. After reading this chapter, you will get one message that unity is the strength. That how I am just showing one thing to you. Suppose if I am talking, I have one stick, just I am showing that I can break it easily. But if I hold in a bunch, that I cannot break it easily. So that's why if we are working together, it means we are strong. But if when we are alone, it means we are not strong. Now, just to take out your LIT book, this is your LIT book, and open page number 116. This is page number. Open this page. This is page number 116, and the name of this chapter is Strong Together. So let's start the story. Once there was a farm very close to a forest. Here we are talking about a farm. The farm was near to a forest. The farmer had a small house in the middle of his land. The farmer, there is a farmer, and where does he live? He lives in a small house, but where is the small house? The small house is also in the farm, in the middle of the farm. Why? You may ask, means now here is the one question is coming in our mind that why he is living there? Did he not live near the road or near the forest? So let's see that why he is living there. Well, it was because there was no route to his farm. There was no route to his farm, and the forest frightened him. The farmer was living in a small house, and the small house was in the farm. Then what happened? That he cannot live in any other house because he was frightened from the forest. So that's why he was living there, and there was no road to his farm. The farmer tried to build a wall around the field. He was just thinking that I should build a wall around the field. Then what happened? He tried to build a wall around the field, but there were not enough stones on the ground. There was no too much stones. That's why he could not build a wall around the farm. Then what will be happen? He tried to build a fence. There was not too much stone. That's why he thought that I should build a fence. But he had very little money. He was not rich. He was a poor farmer. So he doesn't have too much amount. That's why he also didn't try to build a fence. Then what will be happen? And little time to go about building fences. The farmer had 4 strong oxen. Oxen means adult bulls. We are talking about adult bulls. And the farmer has 4 strong oxen. How many? 4. They helped him on his farm. He was alone, but only oxen were helping to the farmer. 2 of them plowed the land and pulled his cart. There were 4 oxen. Look at here. We are talking about these oxen. They are adult bulls. That's why we are calling them oxen. They are 4, but in 4 in 4 of them, the 2 we are talking about only 2 oxen. That what were they doing? 2 of them plowed the land and pulled his cart. He used other he used the other two to draw water from the well. On the farm there was one well, and it was open well, and the oxen used for drinking the water. This well. Then what happened? Then there was an open well on the farm. The oxen went up and down the slope all day. The oxen was coming down, up, down, coming. Why they are coming up and down? Because of drawing water. The oxen went up and down the slope all day, drawing water from it. When the oxen were not working, when they were free, they don't have any work, the farmer let them out in the field next to the forest. Means nearly to the forest. They were not working, they were free. So what the farmer did, the farmer let them out in the field next to the forest. About which thing we are talking? We are talking about these oxen. Oxen means adult bulls. Then what will be happen? The four oxen were close friends. They all are close friends. They always graze together and return together to their shed at night. They always graze means they always eating their food. They always eat their food together and return together to their shed at night. Means whatever they are doing, they do work with all of them, with together. Then what will be happen? They stayed well away from the broken wall and the dark forest. The farmer tried to build a wall of stone, but there was not too much stone. That's why he didn't build the wall, and there was a he didn't build a wall. They stayed well away from the broken wall and the dark forest. There was a broken wall. There were many wild animals in the forest because the farm was near to forest. That's why in the forest there were many wild animals. These animals liked nothing better than a tasty meal. Now we are talking about oxen. Then what will be happen? The oxen knew this, so they looked after each other. They all were close friends, that's why they look after each other. Whenever there was danger, the oxen came together. They never go alone whenever they saw that it's in danger. So the oxen came together. They always moved together. They linked their horns and stood in a line. They always stand in a line and in fixed position. Any wild animal seeing them like this thought it was not wise to go near. And what happened? That there were many wild animals in the forest. So any wild animal seeing them like this thought it was not wise to go near. They saw just oxen that they always move together. Now what will be happen one day? One day a hungry jackal came up to the broken wall. There was the broken wall, that's why a hungry jackal came to the broken wall. Who is jackal? Jackal is a fox, and do you know that the fox is clever animal? He climbed over the stones. He entered the field. We are talking about jackal. He climbed over the stones and he entered the field and ran after one of the oxen. The other oxen immediately ran to the side of their friend. They always moved together, but what happened one day that there was a hungry jackal came up to the broken wall, and the jackal climbed over the stones and entered the field and ran after one of the oxen. They linked their horns together and stood fit. they we are talking about here just oxen, that what did they do when they saw the hungry jackal? So they linked their horns together. The jackal walked up and down for a while and then returned to the forest. The jackal walked up and down. Jackal was waiting, but then returned to the forest. He was just waiting that when he will be alone. He was thinking about the oxen. He would have to look for his dinner somewhere else. Oh, the jackal was thinking that I will make the dinner of these oxen. Life went on as usual at the farm. Life is going as usual. The oxen worked hard and then grazed in the field. The oxen work hard, they do work hard and then graze in the field, graze, they eat in the field. A week after the jackal visited the field, a lion came that way. Again Jackal came to field and Jackal saw that there is a lion on that way. He too tried to go close to an ox. Means the lion was also trying to close to an ox. But the oxen stood firm. Means they were standing together and in fixed position. Then what will be happening? This time the danger was greater. The oxen lowered their heads, kicked the ground, and bellowed loudly. So what happened? Then the lion was frightened and stayed at a distance. When the lion saw that they all were standing together and they were taking out a voice, they were kicking the ground. So the lion was frightened and he was not coming too near the oxen. After some time, the lion crept away and sat behind the well. Now the lion was tried that I will wait behind the wall and let's see that when they will come. The lion was very hungry. His stomach rumbled. Rumble means roared like thunder. He sat and licked his paws. What a tasty meal those oxen will make. He was just thinking, who is thinking? Lion was thinking that I will try to eat these oxen. Thought the lion. Lion was just thinking like a jackal. I wish there was only one ox in the field, not four, because they were four, so stand in. They always stand together. That's why the lion was thinking that here should be only one ox, then I can catch easily. Just then the jackal came to see if he could have better luck than the last time. Again the jackal came. Jackal was also trying to see this that here should be one ox, but they all were together. Then what will be happen? But the oxen were still standing together in the field. Oh, again the jackal was sad like a lion because they were not alone. The lion and the jackal began to talk. Now they both are trying to talk that what should we do for catching the oxen. Oxen. Now what are you here for? Who is asking? Asked the lion. Lion is asking to the jackal. The same thing as you, replied the jackal. The jackal said to lion that you are also here for these oxen, so I am also here for these. The jackal and the lion thought of a clever plan. Now they both are together, so they are making a clever plan. Now what will they do? The next day, the jackal sat behind the wall, waiting for the first ox to enter the field, because they always come in this field. That first, means the first, the one ox will come. After that, the second ox will come. So they were just waiting behind the wall. When the ox arrived, the jackal sang. When they both saw the ox has come, the jackal sang. The ox in the field is fooled by his brother. The farmer gives him less than he gives the other. The jackal tried that I will talk about their other oxen, means about their friends. So he will be also think that why it's happening with him. The jackal said, then the ox in the field he is fooled by his brother. The farmer gives him less than he gives the others. The next day, the lion sat behind the wall. Means they are giving their turn. One day, jackal said something. One day, lion said something. So first day, jackal gave his turn, and now the second day, who will come? On the second day, lion sat behind the wall. When the first ox came into the field, the lion began to sing. It's all work and no play for one ox on the farm. He does not know that the others mean him somehow. Now he is starting to talk, and he was creating some situation that the this ox will also think about his brother, about his friend, that why they are doing like that with him. Every day the jackal and the lion took it in turns to come and sing behind the wall. They began to tell lots of stories. Soon the oxen started listening to the words, and then they began to give each other angry looks because they doesn't know that they are really talk this type of talking about themselves. They are just listening to the lions and jackals words, that what are they saying. The jackals and lions are not their friends, but they all oxen were listening to them. And what happened, that they started to become angry. They began to quarrel with each other. Now they are not living with friendly. They are starting to fighting. They are starting to quarrel with each other. Then what will be happen? Until one fine day, the four oxen stood well apart when they grazed in the field. They always graze together. They always stand together. But after listening the stories from the jackal and the lion, what happened? They all started to become angry. Now was the time for the jackal and the lion to act. First, the jackal entered the field and killed one of the oxen because the oxen were not standing together. That's why it happened. The jackal saw that there is one oxen, so jackal killed the one oxen easily. The other oxen stood and watched. The following day, it was the lion's turn. He came into the field and ate one of the oxen. Oh no, again it's happening. The others stood by and watched. They were just watching that what's going on. In the days that followed, it is sad but true. The other two oxen also fell to the ground. Moral, we are strong when we stay together. So use this thing. You should be strong together. Now come, we are reading to these words meaning. Read the teacher, friends. What are friends? A wall built of wood or posts and wire, oxen, adult bulls. We are talking about adult bulls. Plough to dig and turn over soil, especially before seeds and planting. And there are some meanings. Linked, joined together. Bellowed, made a loud sound like a cow or bull. Rumbled, roared like thunder. And quarrel, to fight or argue. fight or argue. Now I'm showing some copy work to you, that how will you do your copy work. First you have to make a title page. Chapter number 20, Strong Together. You will use just pencil. You will complete your work just with pencil. And after that you will start words meaning. Words meaning, first word oxen, adult bulls. Linked, joined together. Rumbled, roared like thunder. Quarrel, to fight or argue. Fence, a wall built of wood and wire. You will complete these words meaning, write only on lines. Now you have to do question answer. There are 4 questions answer in this chapter. So on first line you will write questions answer. What is the first question? Why was the farmer's house in the middle of the farm? Because there was no road and forest fighting it. That's why. Second, how did the oxen keep safe? By staying together. When they were standing together, when they were grazing together, they were strong. Third, what happened to the oxen? One by one, they fell to the ground and come to sad end. And last, what do you learn from this story? What do you learn? I learned that we are strong when we stay together, or unity is strength. Here you have to do fill the blanks. I am also reading this blanks. The oxen began to quarrel with each other. Second, the hungry lion's stomach rumbled. The oxen went up and down the slope all day, drawing water from the well. Okay, so now you will complete these words, and I hope. Okay, student, now you will read this chapter again, and as well as you have to complete your copy work. I hope you all understood this chapter. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.